I'm working on a shaman mask for a character of World of Warcraft. The piece has several lights. The ones up here in the top of the mask, I have to find a way to get them powered down to where the main mask is. So in creating these pieces, I've created a hole where the light will go and then run electrical cable down through this piece into the jaw piece, which will be set against it like this. And then that cable will run down through this piece. And since that's a two-part piece, actually it will come through the hole here in the piece. And there's a little cutout that the wire will run through so that the wires will start up here at the light and then run down through the jaw and then along that piece into the main helmet or mask where the rest of the lighting will be. And that is currently the plan for how we get the electricity up to the light for the eye.